Hello there, and welcome to today's class. This is day 2 of our chair yoga series. Today we'll be doing a seated sun salutation flow. All you need for today is a comfortable, sturdy seat. So grab a chair that preferably doesn't have sides and one that doesn't have wheels as well. You can place a yoga mat underneath your chair if you'd like to give your feet some extra grip. If your feet don't quite reach the ground when you're seated in your chair, you can take a couple of yoga blocks and place them underneath your feet. So today we'll start by connecting with our breath. So finding a comfortable seat, feel free to sit back a little bit in your chair. Feet firmly on the ground or on your blocks. Hands resting on your legs. Close your eyes if you'd like. And start to notice your breath, feeling the air as you inhale, and feeling the air leave as you exhale. On your next breath in, take the deepest breath you've taken all day. And exhale out through your mouth. And blink your eyes open. Make your way back to an upright seat. Feet on the mat or on your blocks. And as you inhale, reach your arms down, around, and up. And as you exhale, press the air away. And inhale. And exhale. You might feel a slight stretch in your arms as you do this. And take one more. This time, pause at the top. And then release. Take your hands to the sides or base of your chair and open up through your chest. Not too extreme, just a nice, gentle opening. And release back to your seat. Inhale, open up your chest, coming into seated cow pose. And exhale, round through your spine and dip your chin towards your chest. And inhale. And exhale. Take one more with your own breath. And then meet back in center. Take a moment, notice how you feel. Maybe grab some water if you'd like. Taking a deep breath in and out. Next breath in, circle your arms up. And this time we'll take a straight spine forward fold. So bring your hands to your legs and bring your torso forward. You don't have to come too far, but try and keep a nice straight line through your spine. Notice if you're rounding here or opening up through your chest. See if you can find a nice balance between the two. And on an inhale, lift back up nice and slow. And exhale, folding back forward. And then rise back up. Reach your arms up. And exhale your hands to your heart. And take a breath. We'll do that again, but this time adding in a seated downward dog. So let me show you that quick. Keep your feet planted on the ground and your torso will come forward, sort of like how we did in our forward fold. And your arms will come up above, press through the heels of your hands, but it's okay if you have a bend in your elbows. Notice if your shoulders are creeping up. You don't have to have your arms up by your ears. You can have them in a nice V, and so you can see them out of the corner of your eyes. So that'll be our seated down dog. And you can come back to your neutral seat. Take a breath in and out. And then we'll flow together, starting with an inhale. Arms reach up. And exhale, straight spine forward fold. Take a breath here. And the next breath, come into your seated down dog. So maybe your torso lifts up a little, arms press up. Take a deep breath in and out. From here, coming back up, draw your right knee up and press into the ground with your left foot. Feel free to hold underneath your leg here or keep your toes on the ground as well. Inhale. And then exhale, release your foot back down. Come back to your seated down dog. This time, lifting up, inhale. Drawing your left knee up, pressing into the ground with your right foot. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale in. And exhale out. This time as you inhale, sitting back up, draw your arms forward and then around to the back, coming into a chest opener, grabbing the base or sides of your chair. Inhale, then exhale back to your seated down dog. One more breath. Make your way back to your straight spine forward fold. Hands come back to your legs. And then press back up to your seat. Take a moment here, notice how you feel. Inhale and exhale. We'll come into a couple minutes of Shavasana, so feel free to stay right where you are and get comfy, or move to a couch or more comfortable chair. You can sit back in your chair, maybe take your legs out long, hands come to your legs, and dip your chin down towards your chest. And then lastly, closing your eyes if you'd like, and settling in. I'll let you know when it's time for us to move again, but feel free to stay here as long as you'd like. Take a deep breath in and out. Wiggle your toes and your fingers. Come back to your breath and gently start to move your body. When you're ready, make your way back up to a seat. Take a moment and notice how you feel. We'll finish our practice together with a nice breath. Inhale in and exhale out. And blink your eyes back open. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's seated flow. If you'd like to check out the rest of the classes in this series, check out the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to see more chair yoga videos just like this. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day.